core process of pulling flat sheet metal into 3D shapes. Using dies enforce no cutting, no welding. It forms complex parts through pure plastic deformation. If you want to draw a piece of metal into a structural part with depth and strength, the first step is to choose the right material. Deep drawing has strict requirements on the material. It must have good ductility and plasticity. In our factory, tens of thousands of metal sheets are drawn into various precision structural parts every day. The soul of deep drawing is the die. To avoid material cracking or springback, the mold design must take into account blank holding force, lubrication, material thickness, and stretching path. Of course, deep drawing dies are not only complex in structure, but more importantly, they have rhythm control. During the stretching process, if the force is applied too quickly and the deformation is too violent, the strength of the material itself may be destroyed. At this time, engineers usually use the step-by-step stretching process to ensure the stability and forming quality of the material during the stress process through multiple passes and step-by-step deformation. Let's see how step-by-step stretching is achieved.